Hello gardening friends, welcome to Backyard Basics. I'm John Dromgoole. A lot of folks are starting to garden now. A lot of young people are buying homes. They have a place out in the yard. It has to be a sunny place. There are no farms in the shade, remember that. So you have to have a sunny place in the yard. And then with that, you're going to have to use a few different tools. You don't need too many tools, and they don't all have to be new, but they do have to be a good quality tool so that it lasts you. You can buy tools over and over because you save some money, but it ends up being expensive. One of the tools that you might need out there, that you will need, is a hoe. A nice hoe is going to do a lot of work when it comes to making rows to plant seeds or put in little transplants. A hoe is a very good one. When you're developing the garden, turning the soil is also very, very important. It's one of those things that you're going to learn how to do, and turn the compost pile, work in a little bit of organic matter, and so a good garden fork is essential. This is one that is a pretty good one, a long handle. I think the long handle is a very nice part of it. The short ones mean you're bent over all the time working out there. So the long handle gives you the opportunity, if you're using compost, to pitch it further. Here's another one. It's a high quality tool. This one is made out of poured steel into a mold, and so these are very nice ones. Look at these tines. That's one of the things to look for, are sturdy tines on there. And one of the things that many people do is they try to lift roots or rocks in the garden. Well, you're going to ruin that tool. I don't know how many of these garden forks I've seen with the tine bent. And that's because they tried to do something that they couldn't do with that tool. It was the wrong tool. If you're running into rocks, then, and you might, this is a rock bar. A rock bar is not a place on South Congress. It's a tool for your garden. And so it's got this flat edge right here and a point on the other end, and it's heavy. That weight does the work for you. When it comes to busting up limestone or getting rocks and roots out of the way, that's the tool you need. You're not going to use it a whole lot. You may have a friend that you can borrow one from. That's okay. But it's an economical way to clear out the soil in that garden. Another one is a good shovel. Nice shovel. One of the things that we're looking for when we are looking at tools is the handle. See how the wood is in here? The grain is straight up and down. That gives it strength when you're pulling on it. If the side like this one right here is on top, that's where it's going to split. It's just going to come apart on you. So you can buy an inexpensive tool if the handle's in there right, because that'll give you a lot more strength. So don't push it. Make sure that you've got the use of the tool appropriate for what the project is. Because if you push it, you'll be buying new tools over and over. And when the time comes, use a rake like this one. It's real versatile. It's got different sizes. It'll help you get those leaves together for your compost pile. Well, there you go. A good start for that new gardener. Some ideas on picking some tools. I'm John Dromgoole, and this has been Backyard Basics. I'll see you out in the yard.